Here's a way to test to see if your toilet is running or leaking. First thing you want to do, we're going to remove the top. And you want to get yourself some dye. You can do food coloring or any type of dye. And we're going to put this inside the bowl. So you're going to take your dye and you're going to add it. What you're going to do is you're going to let that sit and you're going to open up the toilet. And what we're looking for to see if that turns red, and then we know that we got a small leak from our tank into the toilet. So we'll keep an eye on that. So you can see it's been about maybe 5 minutes, and you can see it's starting to turn red at the bottom. So that means most likely our flapper is leaking. So that's how you tell to see if your flapper needs replacing or you got a leak from your tank into the toilet bowl. So that will definitely make your water bill rise. So what we're going to do is change out this flapper, because that's most likely where your leak is coming from. So we'll get that changed out, and that should take care of your problem. So the way the flapper works, it just snaps off of the side ports. It just snaps onto your side. And in this case, what happens, this rubber gasket starts to dry up, and you can see it's kind of deformed on one edge. And that's possibly where your leak comes from. So we'll get this replaced. So make sure you get the right one. This is a 3-inch. And it has the snaps here. And you can see the seal is one piece. So once you get that changed out, what you want to do is run your same test again. So you're going to check to make sure that your water is clear, or use a different color dye. So we'll flush it until it gets clear. And then, like I say, you can use a different color dye, or just flush it until it gets clear and then run your test again.